Hey guys, this is Dr. Asha Ansari. So the most requested video that what sources I have used during my NEET PG 2024 preparation. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. So the base point is I have done rapid revision of almost every subject except few which I will tell you in some time along with PYQ annotation plus BTR and bonus BTR. I will divide all the 19 subjects into 4 parts, that is intermediate subjects, long subjects, integrated system and short subjects. So first comes the intermediate subjects, that is anatomy, biochemistry, microbiology and pediatrics. So first let's talk about anatomy. I did anatomy from Marrow Rapid Revision Notes edition 6 plus BTR and bonus BTR and gone through the PDF of one shot by Dr. Ashwini sir, and whatever extra points I found I just added it in my notes. And I would suggest when you do neuroanatomy, then after that do integrated nervous system by Zainab ma'am. You will get hold on many concepts and it will give you the highest yield. Many of you commented that anatomy is a disaster subject for you. Believe me, it's a very volatile subject and it demands multiple revision. And if you do the multiple revision of it, I think you are good to go. For biochemistry, I did the Marrow Rapid Revision edition 6 plus added some clinical questions from the main notes and some basic concepts of carbohydrates, that is isomerism, enantiomers, anomers, MUFA, PUFA, etc. Which I found that these are not in the rapid revision notes. Plus BTR and bonus BTR. I think ma'am has beautifully concised it. But I did the BTR and bonus BTR after doing the rapid revision notes. For microbiology, I blindly followed Preeti ma'am. I think she's awesome. I think microbiology was one of my disaster subject. I felt confident about it after learning it from Preeti ma'am, and I think she's awesome. And for pediatrics, I think Prep Ladder RR notes of pediatrics is just awesome. Three of the questions came directly from the rapid revision notes, which was not there in BTR. For example, spondyloepiphyseal dysplasia, head circumference, and malnutrition. And these three questions came in INI May 2024. And I have just flipped through the pages of BTR and bonus BTR. Now comes the long subjects, that is PSM, OBGY, and surgery. PSM I did from rapid revision notes from Marrow 6.5 and biostats and screening from main notes because these are very conceptual. Along with it, I have done the integrated infection class by Zainab ma'am and BTR and bonus BTR of PSM. Now comes OBGY. I think One Touch OBGY by Dr. Sakshi Arora ma'am is just an awesome book. I think you will get each and every question correct if done properly. Now comes surgery. I have done surgery from the main notes, and while revising I have done it from 6.5 rapid revision notes from Marrow and flipped through the pages of BTR and bonus BTR. I think for long subject shortcut nahi marna chahiye because these gives you the highest yield in the actual exam. The integrated system. So I did the integrated system from Dr. Zanavora ma'am, and in integrated system there comes the physio, pharma, patho and medicine. Physio I have done from Marrow main note, and as I have mentioned in my previous video that please physio के लिए कोई shortcut मत मारना because it is a highly conceptual subject. And did image discussion by Somen Manna sir from Prep Ladder where he has discussed some important graphs. Zainab ma'am took the graph classes a little later. When I have attended that class, I realized I have already done many graphs which ma'am taught except 3 to 4 which ma'am covered it from first aid, and it is important for INI. And this was my physio score which I gave on 22nd June and exam was on 23rd June. Then comes pharma. Pharma was one of my weakest subjects, so I used to do pharma every day 1 to 1.5 hours in the morning, and at last it became one of my strongest, and this was my score few days before the exam. I did pharma from the Marrow main notes, but while revising I did One Touch Pharma by Dr. Ranjan sir. He has beautifully concised it, and I have gone through the rapid revision notes of GRG sir. Whatever extra points that was not in One Touch Pharma, I just added it in One Touch itself. Like anti-obesity drugs, some points from the antimicrobials. I felt that are extra in GRG sir notes, so I just added them in my One Touch notes. And at last I did integrated pharma notes by Zainab ma'am. Ma'am has beautifully concised it, and once your concepts of pharma is taken care of, then it is easily revisable in 4 to 5 hours. The whole pharma gets revised in 4 to 5 hours. Then for patho, I have done from Preeti ma'am rapid revision notes from Prep Ladder and added some points from the main notes like microangiopathic hemolytic anemia like HOS, TTP, DIC, platelet mixing studies, TEG, and pedigree analysis, which I found that these were not in the rapid revision notes. And for medicine, as all of you, I have also struggled with it a lot. I've never done medicine as a subject. I always have studied medicine in an integrated fashion. And believe me, you will find initially that it is taking too much time, but it will give you the highest yield. Initially, I have watched Marwa sir's rapid revision notes. The part I have struggled with is notes. It seemed Prep Ladder वालों ने AI चला दिया है, and each and every word which sir has told has got printed, and I really struggled it while revising. Then I have gone through the Cerebellum's rapid revision note of medicine, and really I found it very awesome. I haven't seen Dilip sir's any video. I have just torn the pages and added it in BTR. And I will also show you how I prepared the notes of integrated system in my upcoming video. Now comes the short subject. For opthal, ortho, forensic and anesthesia, I did rapid revision notes from Marrow, BTR and bonus BTR. For Dharma, I think almost everything Zainab ma'am has taught in BTR and bonus BTR, and along with PYQ annotation, I think it would suffice. For psychiatry, I would highly recommend you to once read first aid and then go through BTR and bonus BTR. You will get a strong hold on psychiatry. For ENT, I have done Prep Ladder RR notes and I think it's awesome. Vaishnavi ma'am is just awesome. I think just by reading the notes, your entire concepts get cleared. I have first read the rapid revision notes and then saw ma'am's video in 1.5 to 2x, and I was very much confident about ENT. And then comes radio. Radio I have done from Cerebellum rapid revision notes by Dr. Zana Vora ma'am. Besides this, you should also join the Telegram group of obviously BTR by Zainab ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Deepti ma'am, Ashwini sir, Rohan sir. They post Telegram quizzes and I used to solve them before I go to sleep. Now many of you will ask that do I have the subscription of all the apps? So no, I only had the subscription of BTR and Marrow. And rest almost every notes you may get on Telegram for free. Just you need to find the group. And for the Prep Ladder videos, one of my friend gave it to me to see those videos. So in this way I had covered the Prep Ladder videos. These were my sources. Your source might differ from mine and that's absolutely okay. Just stick to your notes from starting till end because you will have a good visual memory, and believe me, visual memory has a great role in actual exam. Besides this, I also used to give DAMS CBT for actual simulation of exam. I never scored good in DAMS CBT, but I just gave it for the practice and as a learning experience and giving exam out of home's comfort zone. In Marrow and many other platforms, recall paper from 2018 is given, and I think if you could solve the recall papers from 2014 to 2017, then it would be really great because AIMS tends to ask very old questions. And these recall papers you may get in the Reflex app by Dr. Aditya Sanjay Gupta sir. And few of the tips I want to give you that for volatile subjects like anatomy, anesthesia, forensic, just revise these subjects few days before the exam so that it remains fresh in your mind and then you are appearing for the exam. Hope you find this video useful, and if you do so, then do hit the like button and subscribe me for more. Thank you.